All right, I'm going to show you how to change some of the formatting in the lines. Sometimes it's very frustrating when there's Google Documents or slides or whatever forces you to have lines that you don't want, and I'll explain what that means in just a second. So this right here, this body of text that I have is single spaced, and there's no extra lines in between bullet points. So I'm going to highlight it, go up here to format, and show you how to change it back and forth. So like I said, it's now single spaced. If you wanted it double spaced or something in between single and double, you can click there. I'll make it double spaced and show you what that looks like. See, now there are some reasons that you would want to have this. This normally is frustrating to me. I don't like the extra space. If I want the extra space, I know how to add it. But if you want it like that, that's how you do it. That's how you double space. So I'll Control Z, which is undo. I'll show you one other thing. You highlight it, go to format, go to line spacing, and you can add a space before a list item or after list item or after an item. So it looks very similar. It is actually doing something different. If you were to be typing paragraphs or multiple lines per bullet, it would look different. Let me show you what I mean. So this is, again, the space before and after, and this is line spacing, double spaced. Double space is going to add us an extra line or blank spot in between every single line, no matter whether it fits the same bullet point or not, or paragraph or not. Whereas the previous one that I used, these two are going to do it just between each item. So I don't like either one of those. If you need to undo it, let's say it was defaulted to this, you highlight it, go to format, go to line spacing, and click remove space between item. And it's done. One last thing. Sometimes if you wanted a large body of text changed this way, when you highlight it, you've got this down here that has that special formatting. This right here is just each line is its own. It's going to act as if there is nothing there. So you would need to add a space, and then you'd have to go back and remove it. So that is how you add spaces above and below paragraphs, and use single or double space or something in between.